Here's how to download and install SOLIDWORKS Connected from the Welcome app on the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS dashboard. There you're going to see recommendations of key apps based on your current roles, and it's an easy place to install and open from. If you're using it for the first time, the platform will ask you to download and then install the 3D Experience Launcher. It's the basic application that's needed to start all of your installed apps. Once the launcher is installed, you can click Continue to install SOLIDWORKS Connected. Now the installation files will be downloaded and SOLIDWORKS will be installed on your computer. Depending on the bandwidth you have, this is going to take a number of minutes to complete. When complete, the button for SOLIDWORKS Connected switches to read Open, and you can launch the app from there. A shortcut is also automatically created and placed on your desktop after launching SOLIDWORKS Connected for the first time. This allows you to open SOLIDWORKS directly without first logging into the platform in a browser. While working in SOLIDWORKS Connected, you can either save your designs locally to your PC or save to your secure cloud storage on the 3D Experience platform. You can also explore the next steps and check out the installation guide if needed.